Hello guys, so now as you can see some structures are drawn. Okay, nitrogen containing organic compounds, part of syllabus, very well in ISC and both in CBSE also, right? ISC, CBSE, IIT, JEE, NEET सब जगह पे है. Everywhere we are having this chapter that is called nitrogen containing organic compounds, and we will be starting with a specific category of nitrogen containing organic compounds, that is called amines, right? So there are different kinds of amines, aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. So firstly I will be discussing with three simple structures drawn on the board. All are aliphatic amines, none is aromatic amines. Aliphatic amines are there. So this one, if you see, amines are basically having a nitrogen in their structure, right? A nitrogen will be there in their structure. So if you see, all these compounds are having the nitrogen. In some cases nitrogen is bonded with some number of hydrogens. Here it is 2, here it is 1, and here there is none. 2, 1, none. ठीक है, तो here there are 2 hydrogens, here there is 1 hydrogen, here there is no hydrogens. So if you see this kind of amines, so if this is called 1 degree or primary amines. Why this is called 1 degree or primary amines? It is basically bonded to one alkyl group, one carbon atom. So it is called 1 degree or primary amine. So if one alkyl group is bonded to the nitrogen, then the other 2 hands of nitrogen का कितना हाथ? Nitrogen having 3 hands. Okay, so other 2 hands of nitrogen is bonded with hydrogen. So primary amines having always 2 hydrogens. Okay, so if you consider the nitrogen's electronic configuration, normal configuration what we have learnt in 9th and 10th, it is basically 2, 5, right? And we can see this is the valential electrons. So 3 electrons are taken up by the 3 covalent bonds over here. There is one lone pair, that is this one. So this lone pair is very important when we are studying about amines. पूरा चैप्टर को अकेला चलाएगा कौन? lone pair. ठीक है, okay. Now this lone pair will get donated sometimes to others who doesn't have enough electrons, and this is the reason for basicity of amines. चैप्टर का आधा बेसिसिटी लेके खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so lone pair, donation, basicity, very important. Next, here also lone pair is there, here also lone pair is there. So in 3 cases we are seeing some lone pairs. In case of secondary amines, we are saying it is as 2 degree. Why we are saying it is as 2 degree? Because it is bonded to 2 alkyl groups, so that is why it is 2 degree amine. If it is tertiary amine, that is 3 degree. Why 3 alkyl groups, 3 degree. ठीक है, but all these are having that lone pair which is responsible for the basicity, because they can donate this lone pair of electrons and cause basicity. ठीक है, so now can you see anything else in this structure which you may have learnt in class 11th? Yes, there is this one, there is this alkyl group, there is one alkyl group over here. Alkyl groups are electron donating groups, EDG, electron donating groups. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है. This will give some plus I effect. So in primary amines we are having how many number of alkyl groups? 1. So this will have 1 plus I effect. In secondary amines there will have 2 alkyl groups, 1 plus 1, 2 alkyl groups. So this is having more inductive effect than this one. Okay, so if you see this alkyl group is pushing the electron towards nitrogen. Nitrogen already having a lone pair, it is getting pushed by other electrons. इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊपर में है, नीचे से इलेक्ट्रॉन पुश कर रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या है? ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को और रिपेल करेगा, और लेकिन वहाँ से पुश मिल रहा है. सो दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन टेंड्स टू गो आउट. डोनेशन विल इंक्रीज बाय plus I, basicity will increase by plus I. So if you see, this is having 2 groups which is pushing more electrons in this space, more probability of donation of electrons. Basicity of secondary amines should be more than primary amines. and in case of tertiary 3 groups are pushing the electrons, so more probability of lone pair donation. So normally by this philosophy tertiary amines will be having more basicity than secondary amines, and secondary amines will be having more basicity than primary amines. But is this the only factor? No, there are certain other factors which we will discuss right now. So first of all, you copy these things, and second board will be coming up other factors and how does this play around. Make it very simple. This is simple, okay. Firstly, we have learned plus I effect. By plus I effect, tertiary amine is more than secondary amine, is more than primary amine in terms of basicity. We knew what is 1 degree, we have learned what is 2 degree, we have learned what is 3 degree. We know why amines are having basic character because of this lone pair. They donate and they become basic, right? So these things you please copy, and after that we will be coming up with other factors affecting basicity, right? Thank you. Let's go on, copy karo isko.